Ramakrishna Hari, good morning to all of you. Today, Hari part number 18. Harivamsha Purana, Harinama Sankirtana, Hariveena Saujanya, Nene Kahi, Taya Nara Latale, Vaihunda Jotale, Sagalagi Gadela Tirtadana, Manomarge Kela, To Tete Mukala, Hari Pati Stravala Dosi Danya. Jnanadeva Goti Harinamachi Jodi Ramakrishni Abadi Sarvakala. We all know very well that Haripart is all about Haribhava, the love feel towards God. And in each and every Abhanga, he is elaborating how much benefit you will have, what is the importance of Haripart. So in the last Abhanga also, the various benefits has been listed, and as a continuation, this Abhanga is also going to explain the importance and benefits of the Haripart. Let us see one by one. Harivamsa Purana, Harinama Sankirtana, Hariveena Saujanya Nene Kahi. This I feel is the extremely important and superb lines. Hariveena Saujanya Nene Kahi. Who will be the most dearest than that of the Hari? The Hari is the only man who can do all goodness to you, and he is the only man so dearest to you. So such a word is given here, and for that purpose, Harivamsa Purana Harinama Sankirtana. He is giving a proof that you just read the stories of Hari. Purana means the various Leela done by God has been given in various stories. That is named as the Harivamsa Purana. And the most important is, we all very well know that the story of Krishna, how he took birth and how many Leelas he did and everything, we all know very well. And if you take the example of Krishna's story and Krishna Leela, we can very easily understand that the Hari must be the only dearest man in the whole world. Yes, in each and every Leela, we may be able to see the love of Hari, the dearestness of Hari with everyone else. See how much dear we can say the friends of the Krishna will never feel that he is a God. He is so dear that anyone can insult him, anyone can do any sorts of play with him. So there is no fear towards Krishna for all the friends, because he is so extremely dear for everyone else. And towards the gopis, it is needless to say that how much dearest he was. Even if he played against them also, he was so dear to them. So such a dearestness we never find in anywhere else. So that is what it has been told in the first line, Harivamsa Purana Harinama Sankirtana. And if you are able to understand the Hari by means of his stories and by means of his Leelas, then automatically you will start doing Harinama Sankirtana. That means the devotion automatically flows inside you. Because when you see such a dearestness towards you, we are all being nothing before God. God is not going to gain anything to show any dearness to us, but still he is extremely dear to us. Such is the purest love that God has. So for that purpose you need to understand the Harivamsha Purana. So go through all the Puranas of Hari, where you can able to understand that how dear he is to you. Once if you are able to understand how much dearness he has with you, automatically you will chant his name out of pure love feel. I already repeatedly told you that the Hari is already loving us. Once if we are able to understand it, automatically we can reciprocate it. We can automatically show our love towards him. So therefore, what is more important is, we need to understand the Krishna by reading his Purana. Harivamsha Purana, Harinama Sankirtana, Hariveena Saujanya Nene Kahi. So only then you can able to understand that he is so dear to you. And once if you are able to understand, that is finished. Automatically the Hari Bhava will come into your mind. This will happen naturally and automatically, provided if you are able to understand that how much dearness the Hari with you. So this is what the first line means, I feel. And now, Dayanara Latale Vaikunta Jodale Sahalahi Gadela Tirthadana. Okay, what is the amount of benefit which you are going to have just by having this Hari Bhava? Having understood the Hari, the Bhava comes naturally and automatically. Once if you are able to understand the Hari and the Bhava, and if you are able to achieve the Bhava, then naturally you will enjoy the Vaihunda in this very universe itself. It is needless to go. It is needless to quit this universe and to go to the Vaihunda to enjoy the Vaihunda, but you will feel the Vaihunda is here itself. The reason being that if you are able to understand the Hari, you can able to understand the whole world is nothing but Hari. The universe is nothing but Hari. And you can find Hari everywhere. And you can enjoy like anything. And therefore, you will feel the Vaihunda here itself. And not only that, you will get the benefit of doing all the pilgrimages. Tirthadana means there are various sacred rivers which has been available in all over India and of course in the world, but most probably in India has a lot of sacred places, but each and everyone has a long desire that one must go to every pilgrimage. But once if you achieve the Hari Bhava, then there is no necessity for going to the pilgrimage, because it has been assumed that you have achieved or you have gone to all the pilgrimages already. So this is what it has been told in the second line. Yes, you have got such a great benefit of enjoying the Vaihunda in this very world itself, as well as you achieved all the pilgrimages of provided in this land. And now the third line. Manomarke Kela to Tethe Mukhala Haripati Stravala Dosidanya. Again, it is very important. You see, what is normally the speciality of Jnanadeva is always telling about both the sides, what to do and what not to do. So that is the speciality. In the 30th chapter of Jnaneswari, we would amaze on seeing that the Lakshana, that means the qualities of a Jnani, and he has also explained very well that qualities of the Ajnana also. That is not explained in the Bhagavad Gita, but still he has explained very clearly that what is the qualities of Ajnana, so that we can very easily able to understand who we are. And therefore, that is his style, no? So therefore, here in this Haripat also, he is not only telling that you should cultivate the Haribhava, he is also telling that you should not go back your mind. You should not go back your monkey mind, like likes and dislikes and egoistic mind. And for that purpose, this line has been given, Mano Marke Gela to Tete Mukhala. If you just follow your mind voice, which is full of likes and dislikes and ego, then you will lose everything. You will be lost. So, that is very important. He is asking us, do not go back with the mind which is full of likes and dislikes and ego. That will surely spoil you. Rather than just keep your mind with Hari. Get your mind back to Hari. Hari Pati Stravala Dosidanya. And the moment when you turn your mind of likes and dislikes and ego towards the mind of Hari, then automatically it will get established. The mind will become concentrated, one-pointed, rather than wavering, sthira. So automatically it will become fixed in the Hari, and that will give you all the benefits. Dosidanya, which means you will be blessed, and what else is required for you, that will be achieved. So therefore, don't allow your mind to go back with your own likes and dislikes and ego, rather than turn back and put strongly into the Hari. That will make you all benefits. And finally, Jnanadeva Godi Harinamachi Jodi Ramakrishna Avadi Sarvakala. Jnanadeva Godi, he feels it is extremely blissful, tasteful, and he is so fond of this Harinama. That is the reason why he has been joined towards the Harinama. Harinama Chi Jodi. He just wanted to live always with the Harinama. And again the same thing has been repeated. Ramakrishna Apati Sarvakala. Avadi means here he likes it. He likes the name of Ramakrishna. And it doesn't mean that name means name, it is the bhava. Sarvakala, that is another very important word. So, when our Guru itself feels as if that extremely, continuously, he is liking to chant the name of Hari, chant the Ramakrishna, chant Harinama, then is it necessary to say that we should follow the shoot? We must. So that is the intention why Jnanadeva has written in every Abhanga about what he feels in this final line. And of course in this final line it has been very clear that continuously, all the time, we should remember Ramakrishna and we should chant Harinama and we should feel the God like our Guru Jnanadeva. That is the essence of the final line. Ram Krishna Hari, thank you to all of you.